The desert at sunset, a realm of sweeping dunes and stark beauty stretching to an endless horizon. As the sun dips low, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, this seemingly barren landscape awakens. Beneath the cooling sands, a secret world stirs, ruled by some of nature's most enigmatic and resilient survivors. Tonight, we journey into this world to uncover the secrets of the desert spider. These creatures are master architects of survival, perfectly tailored to one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Forget the dark corners of your imagination. These are not the spiders of myth, but highly evolved specialists. They are a testament to the power of adaptation, thriving where most life would falter. From the blistering heat of day to the frigid desert night, they navigate their world with an arsenal of unique traits that allow them to not just survive, but to dominate their sandy kingdom. So, let us peel back the layers of sand and myth to meet the true masters of the desert. Let's take a closer look. What you're seeing now is a marvel of natural engineering. Notice its coloration, a perfect match for the grains of sand it calls home. This isn't just a simple sandy hue. It's a complex tapestry of browns, tans, and yellows, providing flawless camouflage against predators and unsuspecting prey alike. The fine hairs covering its body, called seta, aren't just for show. They serve multiple purposes. Some help to insulate it from the extreme temperatures, while others act as highly sensitive motion detectors, picking up the faintest vibrations of a beetle scurrying nearby or the shadow of a hungry bird overhead. Now, look at those legs. They are proportionally longer than those of their forest-dwelling cousins. This isn't a coincidence. These stilt-like limbs are a brilliant adaptation, allowing the spider to move gracefully and quickly across the hot, shifting sand. By elevating its body, it keeps its core away from the scorching surface, which can reach lethal temperatures. It's like walking on tiptoes to avoid a hot pavement. Furthermore, these long legs help distribute its weight, preventing it from sinking into the loose ground. Much like a pair of snowshoes, it's a perfect example of form following function in the harshest of classrooms. But the adaptations don't stop at the surface. Internally, the desert spider is a master of water conservation. In a world where water is the most precious of currencies, these spiders have evolved incredible physiological mechanisms to minimize water loss. Their excretory system is highly efficient, producing a nearly dry waste product. Their outer exoskeleton is coated in a waxy layer that acts like a waterproof seal, preventing moisture from escaping their bodies through evaporation. They can even absorb moisture from the humid night air or from the prey they consume. This ability to manage their internal water balance is perhaps their most critical survival skill, allowing them to thrive for weeks or even months without a single drop to drink. Where exactly can you find these remarkable arachnids? Their home is the world's great deserts, from the sun-scorched dunes of the Sahara in Africa and the vast arid landscapes of the Middle East, to the iconic red sands of the Australian outback and the rugged deserts of North America like the Mojave and Sonoran. If there's a large, dry, sandy place on this planet, chances are a species of desert spider has figured out how to live there. Their habitats are as varied as the deserts themselves. You'll find them in the classic rolling sandy dunes, where they are masters of burrowing, creating deep, silk-lined tunnels to escape the midday sun. These burrows aren't just shelters. They are temperature and humidity-controlled microclimates, but they aren't restricted to the sand. They also inhabit rocky outcrops and stony desert floors, using crevices and the underside of rocks for protection. Some species even make their homes in the sparse desert vegetation, building their webs between hardy shrubs. Each species is finely tuned to its specific niche within the broader desert ecosystem, showcasing the incredible diversity of life that can be found in these seemingly desolate places. As darkness falls, the desert transforms, and our spider emerges. It is a nocturnal hunter, and the night is its domain. The cool air provides a reprieve from the day's heat, and under the cover of darkness, it is time to hunt. Its diet consists mainly of insects and other small arthropods that are also active at night: beetles, ants, moths, and even other spiders. They are typically ambush predators. Some will lie in wait, perfectly camouflaged, at the entrance of their burrow, waiting for prey to wander too close. Others are more active hunters, prowling the sand, using their keen sense of vibration to detect the movements of their next meal. When a victim is located, the spider strikes with lightning speed, injecting a fast-acting venom that quickly immobilizes its prey. Among the many desert spider species, some display behaviors that are truly extraordinary. Take, for instance, the golden wheel spider of the Namib Desert. When threatened by a predator, like the relentless parasitic wasp, it has a spectacular escape maneuver. It tucks its legs in and literally cartwheels down the steep sand dunes at incredible speeds, reaching up to 1 meter per second. This fleek-flock roll, as it's famously called, is a brilliant and energy-efficient way to make a quick getaway. This unique acrobatic defense is what gave a certain species, Cebrinus reckenbergi, its nickname, the fleek-flock spider. It's a behavior so unique, it even inspired the design of a new type of exploratory robot for difficult terrain. It's a stunning reminder that nature is often the greatest innovator. The life of a desert spider begins in a place of hidden safety. The female, after mating, will lay her eggs in a specially constructed egg sac made of strong, resilient silk to protect her future offspring from the harsh desert elements and from predators. She meticulously buries this precious cargo deep within the sand. The sand provides insulation, keeping the eggs at a relatively stable temperature and humidity. After a period of incubation, tiny spiderlings emerge from the sac. These newly hatched spiders are miniature versions of their parents, equipped with the same innate survival instincts. Their first challenge is to disperse and find their own territories, a perilous journey where many will fall prey to predators or the elements. Those that survive will molt several times as they grow, shedding their exoskeleton to accommodate their increasing size. With each molt, they become stronger and better adapted to their environment. From a hidden silk sac to a formidable desert hunter, the life cycle of the desert spider is a story of resilience written in the sand. So, as we look out one last time at this vast desert under a blanket of stars, let's reflect on the incredible story of the desert spider. We've seen how its camouflaged body and long legs are perfectly designed for a life on sand. We've learned about its masterful ability to conserve water, a true superpower in this arid world. We've witnessed its nocturnal hunting prowess and the astonishing acrobatics it uses to escape danger. And we've followed its life from a hidden egg sac to a fully grown survivor. The desert spider is more than just a creature of the sand. It is a symbol of adaptation and endurance. It reminds us that even in the most unforgiving environments, life finds a way not just to exist, but to flourish with breathtaking ingenuity. It's a testament to the endless creativity of evolution. So the next time you think of the desert, remember the hidden world beneath the surface and the remarkable spiders that call it home. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you found the world of desert spiders as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more adventures into the wild.